Puppet Show by Dylan.
Now let me get my other puppet on.
I love the dialogue. Is this one the nice version now?
How about some words?
Yeah, here's a nice bird.
Oh, they can talk to each other?
Yeah, we need to have some. We need to.
We need some?
We need to have some conversation between your puppets. All right, we're ready.
Oh, wait, let me get my puppet on because I'm not ready. I can't find the way to put my fingers into the mouth. There, I did it. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Action.
Here, what?